Hi, this is Sydney, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to talk about the self-massage tool that you received in your dry brush set. This video might also be of interest if you have a self-massage tool at home and you're just looking for some ideas on how to use it, because I am going to make some suggestions and throw out some ideas that you might not have thought of yet. So let's go ahead and get started. If you purchase the Glow Utopia Ritual Dry Brush Set, you received a massage tool that looks like this. It's got a cotton weave or comfort elastic band on the back, just depending on what we had in inventory and what you ordered. It's got a groove right here in the middle for a detachable handle that also came in your set, so you can use it with or without the handle. If you do want to use it with the handle to reach areas of your body that are hard to get to, you just look for that flat edge on your handle and you slide it facing down up into that groove and give it a gentle press, and it stays in place pretty well. If you do feel it start to slide around a bit, you just give it another little gentle press and you should be good to go. And then you can just slide it back out whenever you're ready to use the massage tool with just your hand. This head is designed for the body. That's why it's the same size as the other heads in the set. You can use it for your face, like the larger areas of your face if you want to, like I'm doing right now. I don't have any lubrication oil or lotion on it right now, and it slides over the skin really nicely. So you don't actually need to use a lotion or oil with it if you don't want to. But a lot of people like to use it for that, and it's a wonderful way to use it. There are massage tools that are created for your face that are smaller and more contoured, so if you're interested in using a massage tool on your face, I recommend you look into getting something like that because you might be happier with that. But just larger areas, it's fine. Otherwise, just kind of use it on your body. One other thing I wanted to throw out there is it's really good for your neck. Like that's just feeling really good to me right now. It's awesome for your neck, and I can't show you this, but if my hair was down, I'd be able to give myself a scalp massage, and it feels so good. So just sort of rubbing it on your scalp, it feels amazing. It's amazing to keep at your desk while you're working, and if you just want to take a 2-minute, like I gotta relax, I gotta unplug and just do something that feels good, this is an amazing tool to have. Give yourself like a temple and scalp massage. It's so relaxing, feels so good. So that's another idea.